In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat feature to your Hostinger website, providing your visitors with an easy and direct way to contact you. Whether you're using the built-in integration option or prefer to add a social icon with a link, I'll guide you through each method step by step. Let's get started with the first method, which involves using the integration feature. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the website you wish to modify. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on Edit Website. This will take you into the website editor where you'll have access to all the tools you need to customize your site. Next, look at the top menu and you'll see a three dots icon. Click on this icon to open the drop-down menu and select Integrations. Here you'll find various options for enhancing your website's functionality. Locate the WhatsApp option and select it. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure you include your country code to ensure that messages can be sent and received without issues. If you like, you can also add a default message. This message will automatically appear in the chat box when a visitor starts a conversation, providing them with a bit of context or a friendly greeting. Once you've made these changes, click Save to apply them, and then ensure you click Update Website. This will publish the changes so that your visitors can now reach you via WhatsApp directly from your site. Now let's talk about the second method, which gives you the option to add a WhatsApp icon with a direct link to your page. Start by creating a unique WhatsApp link. The format for this link is crucial, so you'll want to use HTTPS followed by your WhatsApp phone number. Remember to omit any special characters or spaces in your phone number. You can also include a custom message as part of this link by adding text, and then your message, which must be URL encoded. Once you've created your link, head over to the Hostinger website builder. Look for and add a social icons element to your desired page. These social icons allow you to provide multiple ways for visitors to connect with you, enhancing the interactive nature of your website. Click on the icons to edit them and choose the option to add a new link. This is where you'll paste your custom WhatsApp link into the URL field. Finally, update your website to ensure all changes are applied. There you have it, two straightforward methods for adding WhatsApp functionality to your Hostinger website, enabling seamless communication with your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and tricks.